Welcome everyone. So today we will discuss about the process of sublimation, and we will also discuss that there are certain substances which is either existing in solid state or gaseous state. Even if they are changing from solid state to gaseous state, they are not undergoing liquid state. They are skipping liquid state and directly changing from solid to gaseous state. So we will discuss about such substances. They are said to be sublimable substances. So it is given here, there are some that change directly from solid state to gaseous state and vice versa without changing into the liquid state. Activity 1.13. Take some camphor or ammonium chloride, crush it and put it in a china dish. Put an inverted funnel over the china dish. Put a cotton plug on the stem of the funnel as shown in figure 1.7. Now heat slowly and observe. What do you infer from the above activity? Now you must be aware of certain substances which is quite commonly used in our home like naphthalene balls, like camphor. So these are the substances which is not changing in which is not existing in liquid state. It is present in solid state, and over the period of time or when we are providing heat energy, it is directly changing to gaseous state and skipping the liquid state. So here for this activity we have taken ammonium chloride. Now what is ammonium chloride? Ammonium chloride is a chemical compound, and its appearance, it is quite similar to sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means the common salt which we are generally using at our home. So if you will observe common salt at our home quite closely, you will find that it is having very small crystals. So the appearance of sodium chloride is that its color is white and it is having very small crystals, same like sodium chloride. The appearance of ammonium chloride is also there. Once the school will open, I will show you how it looks. So what you have to do, you have to take a china dish. You can see in figure 1.7 the china dish. China dish is it is a kind of very small plate. So on china dish you have to take some ammonium chloride, and over that you have to put inverted funnel. Now the opening of the funnel, you have to close it with the help of cotton plug. Why we need to close this opening? It is because ammonium chloride which we have taken, it is sublime in nature. That means if you will provide heat energy, it will directly convert into gaseous state. So on gaining heat energy, it will change into vapors, and if the opening is not closed, then these vapors can easily escape. And that is why, as we don't want this, so we are closing this opening with the help of cotton plug. Now what you have to do, after that you have to heat slowly with the help of burner. Slowly, that means the flame of the burner should be low. We need to heat this gently. So what will happen, the part of the funnel which is quite close to the china dish, there the temperature will be high, but the part of the funnel which is said to be stem of the funnel, there as it is quite far from the source of heat, so there the temperature is quite low as compared to the other one. Now what you have to do, when you will start providing heat energy, and when you will start heating this ammonium chloride gently, you will find that this ammonium chloride, it is directly changing into its vapor state. And as these vapors, as it is just rising and going towards the stem of funnel where the temperature is low, there it is again solidifying, and once it is getting solidified, it is also getting sticked to the wall of the inner wall of the funnel. So you have to just continue this process until all the ammonium chloride which is present in china dish, it gets vaporized, and then again it gets solidified and stick to the inner wall of the funnel. After this thing will happen, then you need to take out the funnel, and you can easily deposit this solidified ammonium chloride with the help of a spoon or spatula. So this is about the activity. So from this activity what we have observed? We have observed that the substance, here we have taken ammonium chloride, it is directly changing from solid to gaseous state on gaining heat energy. When the temperature is rising, it is directly changing from solid to gaseous state, and when where the temperature is low, the vapors of this substance, it is directly changing to solid state. That means from gaseous state to solid state it is changing, it is converting towards the stem of the funnel. That means it is not at all undergoing liquid state, it is not at all existing in liquid state. So certain substances which is showing such kind of property is said to be sublimable substance, and the process is said to be, or this transition is said to be, sublimation. We will discuss more about this, especially that what is the reason behind that these substances they are not at all undergoing liquid state and directly changing from solid to gaseous state. If you uh, first you just try to understand this activity 1.13, revise this, and then we will discuss the main reason behind this in detail. Thank you.